So we just had the FOMC report come out and we had a rate cut of 0.5 basis points thanks to Jerome Powell. Now that caused a huge pump on Bitcoin. You can see here we wicked all the way to 61,000 and now we've went down all the way back down to 60,000. So a 1,000% rise and drop within minutes. Now in yesterday's video we talked about the rate cuts and we said if there was a 0.5 basis cut that we should see some sort of a pump, but if it was 0.25 then we will most likely see a dump. Now we have seen a pump again during FOMC. It is very volatile. I wouldn't suggest trading during this time. There's too much illiquidity in the market and that is why there is so much volatility. If we take a look at the heat maps really quickly here on the 48-hour, we can see just how many liquidations there are. So there was a lot of liquidations at the previous high right here around, we can check actually at the previous high, a lot of liquidations are around 61,300. So we didn't clear them just yet. However, it is most likely that we will come up to clear them. Again, these liquidations are changing very quickly. You can see here, I just took another screenshot and on the 24-hour chart we cleared these liquidations. The ones just above have now disappeared. That also occurs when there's too many positions in the market. People are closing very quickly. So right now we've cleared these liquidations and we have some built up at around 59,000. Again, this is changing really quickly, so it's a lower time frame chart, so we don't know exactly whether that will hit. Now on the 1 week chart here, the liquidations are a bit more easy to spot and they do last a bit longer. So we can see there's a lot of liquidations building up just above that high at around 61,000, maybe 500, 400-ish. So that's probably where we're going to head to next. And there's a few liquidations building up just below the lows here. So overall, the FOMC was good news for crypto and the entire market in general for the long term. We had SPX even hit a brand new all-time high. It wicked $5,691, which is a new all-time high. Bitcoin also now consolidating here, created equal highs. So it will be interesting to see whether we do break out of this downtrend right here. If it's able to break past this high, then again, we're in an uptrend. It's created a higher low right here. So this will be bullish news for Bitcoin. Overall, I'd hold off on trading for at least 12 to 24 hours until the market settles into a bit of a rhythm. If you do want to get a few trades though, then make sure to check out the Discord down below because we're sending out trades that are absolutely crushing it day in and day out. I'll leave a link to that in the description. But yeah, apart from that, the only news to really talk about is the FOMC meeting. So the 0.5 basis cut essentially means that it's cheaper to get a loan out. Now it's at around 5% interest rate. It was at around 6%. Then last month it dropped to around 5.5%. Now it's 5%. So it's on a downtrend, which is good. More people taking out loans means more people can invest money, and that means more people will be investing in Bitcoin and other assets, which will drive the price up. So in the long term, that is quite good. Now Bitcoin right now, again, it's pumping, it's dumping. I wouldn't be trying to catch any trades. It's very difficult to catch a profitable trade, and even if you do, the fees are going to be so high just due to how illiquid it is right now because there's so many traders and there's so little liquidity out in the market. If we take a look at ETH also, I mean, still in this buy box. It really is not moving as much as Bitcoin and any other altcoin is, simply just consolidating. So ETH right now is still quite an okay buy. It's around 50% of this box. Again, the lower it is, the better the buy, the higher it is, the worse the buy. But even at these levels, I mean, to its previous high, it's at nearly double. So I'd still be looking to pick up some ETH. And yeah, let's see how Bitcoin plays out for this week. If we're able to break these highs, then we can head on to the next high around 65,000, which will be mega. Apart from that, there really is not much more news coming out in September. This was the biggest news, I think, for the whole of the third quarter. The next big news will be the election, most likely during November. During October, we'll probably have another FOMC meeting, the CPI reports again. So yeah, let's see how that all plays out. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you do want to be trading Bitcoin and any other crypto, make sure to check out the exchange links down below. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.